Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic side mirror glass. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool, a new mirror glass specific to your Civic model, and a clean cloth. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area so you can clearly see all the small clips and connections. Having the right tools ready makes the process much smoother and prevents accidental damage. Now, let's remove the old, damaged glass. Gently tilt the mirror all the way up or down to create a small gap at the opposite edge. Insert your plastic pry tool into this gap and carefully work it around the edge. Apply gentle pressure to release the clips holding the glass. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical wires, such as those for heating or power adjustment, before fully removing the old glass. With the old glass removed, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully reattach any electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of your new mirror glass. Ensure these connections are secure. Next, align the new glass with the mounting clips inside the mirror housing. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear and feel it snap securely into place. Double-check that it's seated properly. Once the new mirror is installed, take a moment to test its functionality. Adjust the mirror using your car's controls to ensure it moves freely in all directions. If your Civic has heated mirrors, turn on the defroster to confirm that feature is working correctly. Finally, give the new glass a good clean with a soft, lint-free cloth for perfect visibility. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.